right? Now, how the Gemini is going to work? Yes, it is pre-trained, but how it is going to understand about my routine, how it is going to understand about my meetings, how it is going to understand about my orders by reading the information from my mobile. Yes, there is a concern about data privacy and security. We'll talk about it. So now, without all this data in my read from my system, right? That is my mobile device. Say web data, of course. Google Map is reading location data, right? Social media, Instagram. The moment we are talking now, when we are talking a lot of different things today in this particular forum, right? You will get a lot of ads popping up in your Facebook and Instagram, including LinkedIn, right? How? Because your AI agents are listening to everything you are talking. So this natural language, whatever we are talking at this point in time, this is the data we are talking about. And while doing the fancy stuff, while building all these Gen AI, applications, we are forgetting about this. Yes, today as the technology had advanced, GPT, ChatGPT or LLMs like GPT has become mainstream. We don't have to start from analyzing the data, doing the statistical analysis, and building a particular model and make it work to solve a business problem. We are just doing our API call and integrating all these GPT or say LLM models. But all these models are working on one piece of thing, that's data. So while working on all the advanced stuff like going in the market, AI, Gen AI, AI agent, agentic AI, and going forward, right? We are forgetting the basic that data is something we all have to pay attention to. Because today I am not talking from the concept perspective. Today I am talking what is happening in the real industry. So tomorrow you join a company as an AI engineer, right? And you are asked to build an AI agent. What you are going to do? You are going to do a prompt and get the Python code to build the AI agent, or you are going to look at the data first and analyze if particular agent can be built as per the business requirement coming in. For example, I am from HR department, right, in an organization, and every year end I get lot of physical documentation to be done for IT income tax filing, IT filing, right? Each and every employee of like within the company, say 10,000 employees are submitting a lot of documentation. I want to build an AI agent who can read all this documentation and give me a summary of what is the different type of IT returns they are filing or claims they have. I want to build it, but suppose think from this perspective. Food for thought for you all. I have never saved those documents in any of the application layer. I do not have the data. So now my question to you, will that AI agent that you have built quickly within 2 days of time, right, is it going to work or not?
And the center one, the below center one, that's the
Incorporate, right?
Nexus one, and easily.
So going back to the basic, data is the main important point. Once you get into a particular role, team, company, and you start working on your pieces of work, and you are a Gen AI engineer or AI ML engineer, right? Always focus on the data. Ask the right question to get your job done. Because at the end of the day, doesn't matter how beautifully you write the code, if that code is not going into the production and it is not helping to solve a business problem, right? You will not be appreciated. Your work is going to get scrapped, and at the end of the day, all your fancy models are going to be in the dustbin, to be honest. So data is the main thing. If you do not have the data, right, your AI agents, agentic framework, nothing is going to work. So now, there are three concepts that we have been talking, right? One is machine learning, boring one, is it? Then AI, interesting one, and data science. All these three data domains are not separate. They have to come together to make a particular AI project work and put it into production. And every problem in an industry, we don't need an AI model, advanced AI model to be solved. In fact, if you start, running a SQL query, right, do some analysis, actually you will be able to solve the problem. So every problem do not require a machine learning model to be implemented. Pankaj has also emphasized on the same point in his session sometimes back. Every problem do not need a large language model or Gen AI kind of an approach to be solved. It can be a very simple software engineering task, or it can be a very simple data analytics task, right? So in real time, right, there are two concepts very prevalent once you start building a particular AI model to do some kind of business task solving. One is data centric, one is model centric. Model centric is primarily we will see with the researchers, the AI researchers who are building the